Cookies. Welcome to the Christmas Cookie Collab, hosted by Brenda from Monner's Market and co-hosted by Annie from Crafting with Annie Jones. We have to make and share at least one Christmas cookie recipe, so let's get started. Okay, so this only calls for 3 ingredients: peanut butter, butterscotch chips, and cornflakes, just plain cornflakes. I've got my recipe here, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything separated. I've got 2 packages of butterscotch chips. I'm going to need 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 5.5 to 6 cups of cornflakes. So I have to go ahead and get my butterscotch chips melted, and then I'm going to add in that peanut butter. I'm going to place this over a pot of hot water using the double boiler method, and then add in my 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to continue to stir the butterscotch until it starts to break down and melt, and then I'll add my peanut butter in and get that thoroughly stirred in, and then move on to adding the cornflakes. Okay, while all that peanut butter is melting into the butterscotch, I'm going to take 6 cups of cornflakes and prepare them to be covered . With my cornflakes thoroughly coated in the melted mixture, I lay out wax paper so I can add spoonfuls of my mix onto the wax paper, and then I'm going to set them in the refrigerator to cool. bakery bags for small batches that I give away. And then I found this large container, and I have some rub-on transfers and some window clings, gingerbread window clings, to add a few to make this container a little bit more festive. First, I'm going to go ahead and take the window clings off and see where I want to have them set up on my container, and choose one of the rub-on transfers. There have some little cute sayings about recipes and food, so I'm going to choose one of those to add. And once I have the areas set up that I would like everything to be placed, then I'll add dishwasher safe Mod Podge to adhere everything so that it ends up being able to be wiped down with no problem. Okay, so I stuck these in the refrigerator overnight to set up. All of the peanut butter and the butterscotch has now hardened, and this makes a lot of cookies. This is one of those large platters from the Dollar Tree. I end up using 2 of these to fill with my cookies, and you can make your clusters whatever size you want. I like to make varying sizes. So I'm going to use one of these bakery bags. This is one method that I use as a container to give these cookies out. And I have some wax paper here. So I'll just take a couple of the smaller clusters and add them to my bag. Okay, so container is completely dry. All of our little additions directly inside the bottom, and then place some of cookies. So here are both of my holiday containers together. This is the usual that I do every holiday. I usually make cookies and brownies, and I use either a plastic or a nice decorative tin container to give out my treats. And it's not fancy, but it works for us. And also, these cookies look really nice displayed. Although from far away, I will say that they do kind of look like fried chicken from far away, but they are very tasty. The butterscotch and peanut butter combination are really delicious, and I will have the recipe in the description box. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Don't forget the playlist. I'll have a link to the playlist in the description box along with both of our hosts, Brenda and Annie. I can't wait to see all the delicious cookies that everyone has come up with. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.